Welcome back to Practical.Bassin. Oh. 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 Pike. 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 Where's my net? I don't have my net with me. Pike. Oh, pike. Ooh. Pike, 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 pike. Good pike too. Good pike. I don't have my net, and this is 8-pound test. Well, oh, the braid's good. Pike. Look at him. Oh. Pike. Come on, friend. No, gotta let him run a little bit. My leader's only 8-pound. I want my lure back. Oh yeah, that's gonna break. He's gonna break me off. Oh yeah, he's gonna break me off. I'm all set. Yeah. Alright. Kinda just need to touch you, bud, to count you. Nope, he's gonna break me off. I'd really like my lure back. Nope. The rule is if you touch him, it counts. I mean, he did touch the boat. He did hit the boat. Never reel while they're pulling. Oh goodness, get away from that. It's only 8-pound leader and it's right up on his face. Oh my gosh, man. Why did I leave my net? Not that it would help, but at least I could get his face in it. Yep, he's gonna break me off. That's 8-pound fluoro. Come on, bro. Damn it! But I got my lure back. Woohoo! That was sick. Oh, that was sick.